Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dami, and in today's video I'll be doing my first impressions on the headband wig. I've seen this floating around a lot online and I thought this was so convenient for me because I'm a mom. I love a wig that is something that you can throw on and go. A lot of times the frontals, they require more work, so I choose to opt for the closures instead of frontals just because it's a lot more easier for me whenever I'm getting ready to go out the door. So when I saw the headband wig, it looks a lot more natural than the frontals, especially in the kinky curly like I ordered. So I got this hair in kinky curly texture, and you guys, as you can see, I just sleek the front and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply it and show you how easy this is. I'm gonna show you first how I prep the hair and then how I apply it, so stay tuned.
This is the hair right out the package. This is the 14-inch kinky curly, as I've stated, and the headband comes attached to the wig and it just snaps right in the back. It does come with 4 combs inside just to make sure that the wig is secured on your head, and this will be how the curl pattern looks before it's been washed. So you can see it's pretty tight. So I use the Repair and Protect shampoo by Pantene, normally designated for my wigs. And I normally wash my wigs before I apply them to my head. It's just something I've always done. Washing the wigs as well, especially for curly wigs, it does help to bring out the curls. So I recommend washing the wig before putting it on. Now to condition, I normally use the Emulsions conditioner for my wigs. It does the job on my wigs, but not on my natural hair. So now that it's been fully washed, this is how the curl pattern will look. That is just so pretty. And this is the amount of hair I lost during the washing process, which is not a lot. Super impressive.
Okay you guys, so all I have underneath is just some plaits. My hair is just plaited, and then I took some baby hair out so the wig can look a lot more natural. And it snaps at the back, so it snaps like this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the hair. And then snap it in the back. And then just to revive the curls, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray with some water. And that is how easy it is, you guys. Quick and easy. And see, it just looks like it's growing right out of your head. I did get the 14 inches. I didn't really want to get something too long just because I wanted it to mimic the length of my hair. So this is how it looks. Okay, so you can also put it up. I can put it in like a half up ponytail. So half up, half down. You can also accessorize it as well. I do have a cheetah print headband that you can just put over the black if you don't want to wear the black piece. You can definitely wear it half up, or I do love it down just the way it is. So, or you can wear it like this. So you guys, you can see how quick and easy this hair is. No need to worry about glues, sewing it down or anything. It's something you can just wash it, air dry it, and throw it on and go through the door. Okay, so if you guys would like to purchase this hair, I will definitely leave the link down below. This is something that I'm selling personally from my website, Lainas Hair Boutique. So if you'd like to support me, then definitely don't forget to check the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another one. Thank you so much again for watching. Bye!